If you're new to woodworking, even if you're an experienced woodworker, you know how hard a flat miter can be. For as simple as it is, it can be a devil of a joint to try to get perfect. Well, no matter how good your table saw or your table saw blade is, you can always do better with a shooting board designed for miters. Sharp hand plane. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to make a couple of very precise cuts. By the way, there's the difference between a sawn surface and one coming off the hand plane. Make sure it's laying nice and flat. Now we put these two together. We get a beautiful fit and a nice, perfect 90 degree. Now, what's so special about this? Well, just like our other shooting boards, it's built so that it will always stay flat or have a slight hump, which is what you want, so that your plane lays perfectly 90 degrees and doesn't tilt out. Our fence is made out of a really dense hardwood that resists the abuse that typically happens on a shooting board. We line the face with a piece of fine emery cloth, and the reason is that when you're planing on a shooting board, the plane is wanting to pull the board forward. So this helps to give you a little more support. We also cut our fence back so that you can come in here and hold it better and also keep it fed into the plane. We make these in both left and right in the 24-inch variety and also left and right in the 18-inch. So if you want to up your game on things like miters, get one of the shooting boards. You'll be amazed at how tight that joint gets.